Meet and greet, an easy English conversation for beginners. Learning English can be fun and super simple. In this video, follow two students as they meet for the first time. You'll learn how to greet, introduce yourself, and say goodbye. All in clear, slow English. Ready to practice? Let's dive in. Scene: a school hallway. Emma: Hi, my name's Emma. What's your name? Jake: Hi, Emma. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you. Emma: Nice to meet you too. Use a smile and a friendly tone when saying hello. It makes all the difference. Emma: What grade are you in, Jake? Jake: I'm in grade 7, and you? Emma: Me too. I just moved here last week. Notice how easy small talk can be. Start with questions about school, hobbies, or other interests. Emma: It was great talking to you, Jake. Jake: Same here. See you in class tomorrow? Emma: Definitely, bye. Jake: Bye. A quick and polite goodbye wraps up any conversation nicely. Give it a try. Now it's your turn. Replay this video, practice the dialogue, and try introducing yourself to someone new. Hit subscribe to join us for more beginner-friendly English lessons, and let's keep improving together, one step at a time. See you next time!